day, didn't we? Serve him tea, sit in the master's chair, pet the pooch.
I was trying to be hospitable.
Hello? Is anyone here? Hello? Papa? Papa? Are you here?
Mama, there's a girl in the castle.
Now, Chick, I'll not have you making up such wild stories.
Really, Mama? I saw her.
Not another word. Into the tub.
What girl? I saw a girl in the castle. See, I told ya.
Irresponsible, devil-may-care, waxy-eared, slack-jawed.
Papa?
Did you see that? It's a girl.
I know it's a girl.
Don't you see? She's the one. The girl we have been waiting for. She has come to break the spell.
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Papa? Papa? Hello? Someone here? Wait, I'm looking for my father. That's funny. I'm sure there was someone. Is anyone here?
Who?
Papa!
How did you find me?
Oh, your hands are like ice. I have to get you out of there.
No, I want you to leave this place.
Who's done this to you?
No time to explain. You must go now.
I won't leave you.
What are you doing here?
Who's there? Who are you?
The master of this castle.
I've come for my father. Please let him out. Can't you see he's sick?
And he shouldn't have trespassed here.
But he could die. Please, I'll do anything.
There's nothing you can do. He's my prisoner.
Oh, there must be some way I can... Wait! Take me instead.
You would take his place?
No, no, you don't know what you're doing.
If I did, would you let him go?
Yes. You must promise to stay here forever.
Come into the light.
No, Belle, I won't let you do this.
You have my word.
Done!
No, Belle, listen to me. I'm old. I've lived my life.
Wait!
Belle!
Wait!
No, please spare my daughter. Please.
She's no longer your concern. Take him to the village.
Let me out. Please let me out. Let me out. Please. Please.
Master? What? Since the girl is going to be with us for quite some time, I was thinking that you might want to offer her a more comfortable room. Then again, maybe not.
You didn't even let me say goodbye. I'll never see him again. And I didn't get to say goodbye.
I'll show you to your room.
My room? But I thought,
You want to stay in the tower?
no.
Then follow me. Say something to her. I hope you like it here. The castle is your home now, so you can go anywhere you like, except the West Wing.
What's in the West?
It's forbidden! Now, if you need anything, my servants will attend you. Dinner. Invite her to dinner. You will join me for dinner. That's not a request.